guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. We are on day 4 for product reveals for our box of the month for April. So the release date will be April 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Here are the cards that I've made so far. You can go back to the previous videos to see each product revealed. We are going to reveal our 4th product in the box. We have the Hummingbird Flutters collection, and we have a 6x6 paper pad with its coordinating ephemera. So this will be in your box of the month for April. You can join the club by choosing monthly before checkout. It'll ask you for your frequency. There'll be a little drop-down menu. You can choose monthly. That will get you an extra 5% discount at checkout, and then you'll be on auto ship. So your new box will ship every 30 days. So look how beautiful this paper is. I love pink and green. How about you guys? So look at those pretty hummingbirds, those gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. Such a pretty green. So really nice stripe. Very cute. And this beautiful glitter. So it's faux glitter. And then we've got a pink and a light pink stripe background with the beautiful hummingbirds and flowers. And who knows what those flowers are called? Leave it in the comments down below. We've got a beautiful green polka dots. So there's white polka dots on that beautiful green background, and then we've got white tiny polka dots on that really pretty soft pink. And then in the background you see these very dainty little stripes with those beautiful hummingbirds. I love hummingbirds, you guys. It is so fun to watch them. I have a hummingbird feeder close to my window, and I just love watching them. And I think they're the same hummingbirds every year too. They come back, they remember where their feeders are. They're pretty green, and then this is a really pretty page. Just watercolored, softens up at the top. And then a really pretty green one. And then we are going to be repeating designs here. What a gorgeous paper pad. So let's take a look at the ephemera, and then we'll make a quick card. So Teresa put some Bible verses in this package. So we've got some Bible verses and some other sentiments. Spread your wings and let your spirits soar. The Lord is on my side, I will not fear. So she's included a bunch of different sentiments in here. And then we've got all these beautiful hummingbirds and some leaves to decorate your cards with, and these beautiful flowers. I'm sure these are some kind of trumpet flowers. They look like trumpets to me. Really, really gorgeous. It's another sentiment. And then we've got like little tiny hummingbirds, and then we've got bigger hummingbirds. These are nice to put on the edge of your card to kind of like frame it up. And the colors are just stunning. Maybe we can do 2 cards at the same time, since I already have 2 panels ready to go. So let's pick out the patterns that I want to use. I want to use something with a pink. The green and pink seem to really pop off that card base. So let's use this one. And then for my other one, I really like this one too. That. And then we can bring in some of these patterns to break up some of the patterns. So I'm going to cut these out with a die. Okay, I kind of have my stuff laid out how I want it. So let's go ahead and add some glue.